If you've been feeling tired, stiff, out of breath too quickly, or like your body is aging faster than it should, it might not be stress, sleep, or even your diet. It might be something far more simple and far more fixable. You're not moving in the ways your body was designed to move. And here's the good news. You don't need a gym, equipment, or an hour a day to change that. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Today I'm going to show you the real benefits of cardiorespiratory fitness and strength training, and the easiest in-home and outdoor exercises you can fit into even the busiest life. Cardiorespiratory fitness, your heart and lungs working efficiently, is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. Stronger than smoking status, stronger than weight, stronger than blood pressure. When you improve your cardio fitness, you improve heart health, energy levels, mood and stress, resilience, blood sugar control, and immune function. Even 10 minutes of movement can shift your physiology. Strength training isn't about bodybuilding. It's about future-proofing your body. After age 30, you naturally lose muscle every year unless you actively build it. Strength training helps you maintain muscle mass, boost metabolism, strengthen bones, improve joint stability, prevent injuries, and stay independent as you age. Muscle is your metabolic engine and your longevity insurance policy. You don't need equipment, you don't need space, you just need a few minutes. Here are some simple in-home exercises. Bodyweight squats strengthens legs, glutes, and core. Do 10 to 20 reps while your coffee brews. Incline push-ups, use a countertop or table, great for chest, shoulders, and arms. Glute bridges, perfect for posture and low back support. Planks, 20 to 30 seconds to start, builds deep core strength. Marching or jogging in place, a simple way to elevate your heart rate during work breaks. And stair or step intervals, one of the most efficient cardio workouts you can do at home. Outdoor movement gives you sunlight, fresh air, and a natural mood boost. Here are some simple outdoor exercises. Brisk walking, one of the most underrated forms of exercise. Just 10 minutes after meals improves blood sugar. Jog-walk intervals. Alternate 1-minute jogging, 1 to 2 minutes walking. Perfect for beginners. Hill or bridge walking. Builds leg strength and cardio capacity without impact. Park bench strength circuit. Use a bench for step-ups, incline push-ups, dips, and split squats. Cycling, low impact and joint-friendly. And jumping rope, one of the highest return cardio exercises. 1 minute feels like 3 minutes of jogging. You don't need long workouts. You need consistent ones. Here are some simple strategies. Use micro workouts. 2 minutes here, 3 minutes there. It all counts. Stack movement onto existing habits. For example, squats while the microwave runs, push-ups before your shower, or walk during phone calls. Prioritize morning movement. Even 5 minutes sets the tone for the day. Keep equipment visible. A yoga mat or resistance band in plain sight equals more use. Aim for micro movements. Short bursts of activity throughout the day improve metabolism and energy. My final thought. You don't need perfection. You need momentum. A stronger heart, stronger muscles, and a stronger life are built in small, consistent moments. Start with one movement today. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my latest book, Stronger by the Day Nutrition, the ultimate guide to diet types, foods, and recipes for energy, fat loss, strength, longevity, disease prevention, brain health, and more, along with all the other books in the Stronger by the Day Empowerment Collection, all available on Amazon and my website. And visit my website for other free resources to help get you started on your wellness journey. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.